Hello friends, I hope all of you are doing well. So let's discuss the given question. If x equal to a cos theta and y equal to b sin theta, then find the d2y by dx square when theta equal to pi by 4. Okay. So guys, how can you solve this question? So guys, mainly key concept we use here is, what is the key concept? Second order derivative using the parametric equation. Second order derivative using parametric equations. Okay, so how we solve this? First write down the x equal to how much? A cos theta, right? So find the value of dx by d theta. So it becomes minus a sin theta. Call this equation number 1. Let's take the y. Y is nothing but the b sin theta. So if you find dy by d theta, it becomes b cos theta. Call this equation number 2. Then guys, what is the value of dy by dx? Dy by dx is nothing but the dy by d theta whole divided by dx by d theta. Okay, so if we substitute the values, you will get the answer, that is b cos theta upon minus a sin theta. Okay, so your final answer will be minus b by a into cot theta. Okay, that is the value of dy over dx, but we want d2y by dx square. Okay, so if we differentiate, it becomes minus b upon a as it is. Cot theta differentiation is minus cosec square theta. Okay, into theta's derivative is d theta by dx. With respect to x we want, right? This minus will get cancelled, so it becomes b upon a into cosec square theta into d theta by dx. What is the value? At the dx by d theta we want, that is minus a sin theta. So d theta by dx will be divided by minus a sin theta. Okay, so in the next page, d2y by dx square will be minus b upon a square into how much? Cosec cube theta. Okay, so we want that second order derivative at theta equal to how much? I think pi by 4, right? If I am not wrong, it is a pi by 4. So let's check. Yes, at theta equal to pi by 4 we want. So guys, now tell me, what is the value of, so if we substitute that pi by 4 minus b upon a square bracket close into cosec cube of pi by 4. So if we solve this, it becomes minus b upon a square into cosec pi by 4 means cosec 45 will be the root 2 bracket cube. So your final answer will be, guys, what will be your final answer? Minus 2 root 2 into b upon a square. So guys, this will be your final answer, that is d2y by dx square at theta equal to pi by 4. So guys, this will be your final answer, that is minus 2 root 2 into b by a square. So let's check which option is correct one. Minus 2 root 2 into b by a square, that means option number A is the correct option. I hope guys everybody has understood this question. So thank you so much. Have a nice day.